Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove all the videos you downloaded it in YouTube mobile. Now let's go to YouTube. Let's download this video. Now let's see. We have these videos right here. Now let's try to remove all these videos. Click on your profile, settings, and now you should click downloads. Now all you need to do is to click this one, delete all downloads, delete. Now let's verify. As you see, the videos has been removed. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.